If you're new to the Elder Scrolls Thief, Skyrim and can't find the exit option, don't worry. Skyrim doesn't explain it clearly. Here's the correct way to quit the game on any platform. First, pause the game. Press ESC on PC, or press the Menu/Options button on console. In the menu, select System. This opens all game-level options. Now choose Quit. You'll see two options. Quit to Main Menu. Quit to Desktop, PC only. If you're on PC and want to fully close the game, select Quit to Desktop. On console, choose Quit to Main Menu, then close the game from the console home screen. Important tip: before quitting, always save your game. Skyrim does not auto-save on exit, and you could lose progress if you forget. Also, if the game feels frozen, you can use Alt plus F4 on PC console dashboard, close game. That's it. Once you know where to look, exiting Skyrim is quick and easy.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.